Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Carlin with Carlin's Little Homestead, and we're gonna do a little tour of my garden. Today is June 1st. Here I have a flower bed with sunflowers, cosmos, some zinnias, California poppies, and some wildflower mix that I put in here. And I'm not sure what type of seeds were in the wildflower mix. There's a cosmo about to bloom, but the plant of itself is itty bitty because we've been having crazy weather. And a volunteer chamomile. And right in front of that, I have my berry bed. Berries are doing good. I prematurely picked one. Those are some shortcake raspberries. And I have strawberries. Over here is my herb bed. I have my cilantro already growing a flower. My onion had been flowering about a month and a half, maybe 2 months now. And then I have some stuff that is finally coming up. Regular basil, some purple basil. Something's been chopping on my dill. And some other stuff over there. I'm not sure what. There's tags, but no time to read it. I put some peppers and some more basils over here. And on this bed, I have corn in the back. And I sowed some seeds, but I cannot remember for the life of me what seed it is. I believe it was tomatoes. I'm not sure. Some volunteer sunflowers. Over here, I have half a bed sowed with okra. And the other half, cucumber, cabbages, radish, and I believe beets. Over here, some more cabbages. I got a aloe plant on sale. She'll bounce back. And I have a chamomile. This bed is supposed to be my tea bed. I sowed some stuff, rosemary, lavender, lemongrass, but they're not quite up as yet. But this is my tea bed. Here's another look at the bed with half okra and cabbages, along with cucumbers and zucchini. All my volunteer sunflower, because last year I had a really long bed, about a 20-foot bed here. Then I kind of planted everything. That was my first year gardening. Some more volunteer sunflowers. Here are all my squash and pumpkins. I have pole beans, which where I'm from we call it bora. And I have some karila, which people call bitter melon, but again, where I'm from we call it karila. I have melons, cantaloupes, winter squashes, and everything in this bed. And then here is my potato bed. We harvested some potatoes on Sunday. And I also planted 2 dahlias here. I started them, I want to say, end of January inside. What's the name of this one? This one is the Dahlia Amaro. And this one, I think here's the tag. Imagine I wrote that, but I can't tell you for the life of me what it said. But I know it's a yellow dahlia. See, it's budding up here. I'm so excited. And that mess back there needs to get cleaned up. Oh, I have some ranunculus in pots all over. I believe I have 3 out here, but I have more that I want to spread around the garden. They're different colored ranunculus, so as they grow, I'll put them where I need to put them. I have some sweet peas that I need to put in the ground, and I can't remember these. And I think these are moonflowers that I need to put in the ground. Here I have a black raspberry patch. It was in the container, but it decided it wants to spread and show off, so I let it. And I got a grapevine last month for Mother's Day, and I have it on this DIY trellis here. I'll give you a better view of the trellis in a little bit. Then over here, I potted up some California poppies and some pansies. Over here, some stuff that I up potted and that I was trying to bring back to life. So once my green thumb keeps up, I'll be seeing some growth in no time. Over here, I just have some miscellaneous stuff along with my mess, which we won't talk about right now. Then, oh boy, I forgot. These are some mums I'm trying to revive because we had such great weather here in South Jersey that I pruned them a little too early. So I said, let me soak them and then I'll try to plant them out and see. Hopefully they catch back, because every year they've been coming back for me, but it doesn't look like it might come back this year. But fingers crossed. And here I have a peach tree. This will be its 2nd year, and I believe hopefully next year we can get some flower and some fruit. My lovely rose bush. Started blooming, I believe, 2 weeks ago. Here's a better look at our DIY pergola trellis grapevine home. And with that, I would like to thank you for watching my video today. Here's another look at my garden. And it's a garden in progress. It's only 2 years old because I started gardening last year.